The Legion 7 series is Lenovo's top-tier gaming machine line. However, instead of being big and clunky, it comes in a sleek, if not stylish outfit. In fact, it is a carbon copy of the Legion 5 Pro. But there is a slight difference. The cooling system is extraordinary. Although the device looks stealthy for a gaming machine, there is a touch of RGB here and there, which gives away its nature. With a weight of 2.5 kilograms and a profile of up to 23.5 millimeters, no one would imagine it could house an RTX 3080 with a 165 watts TGP. Additionally, the input devices are quite decent with large keycaps, clicky feedback, and a base that doesn't flex. In terms of input-output, you get two USB Type-C 3.2 Generation 2 ports, one Type-C 3.2 Generation 1, three Type-A 3.2 Generation 1 ports, audio jack, HDMI 2.1 connector, LAN port, and a proprietary power plug. Nowadays, it has become a standard for gaming laptops to feature two SODIMM slots for memory expansion and two M.2 PCIe X4 slots. If you want to see how to access them, you can check out our teardown video. This year, the Legion 7 comes with a 16-inch display. It has a 1440p resolution and a 165Hz refresh rate. It features great viewing angles, high maximum brightness of 506 nits, and a good contrast ratio of 1170:1. Additionally, it covers 98% of the sRGB color gamut, which means that the screen will be vibrant and vivid. Moreover, its color accuracy gets up to professional standards with our gaming and web design profile. It brings the delta E to a value of 1.0, something that enables users to work with color-sensitive content. And for the gamers out there, the pixel response times are quick, but more importantly, there is HDR400 and G-Sync support. Oh yeah, and there are no flickers across the entire brightness range. This device's 80 watt-hours battery delivers about 6 hours of web browsing and video playback, which is not bad for a gaming machine. As a true powerhouse, the Legion 7 can be equipped with up to an AMD Ryzen 9 5900HX, and an RTX 3080 with a TGP of 165 watts. What allows it to do so is the vapor chamber cooling solution. Our configuration, which boasts a Ryzen 7 5800H and an RTX 3060, doesn't seem to be bothered, as the GPU is running at only 74 degrees with a frequency of 1858 MHz. This is considerably better than the similarly spec'd Legion 5 Pro. The RTX 3060 in this case allows you to run Borderlands 3 at more than 70 FPS at the badass setting, which is quite demanding. Respectively, Shadow of the Tomb Raider at its highest settings can be pushed at about 80 FPS. By the way, we have a playlist of 39 games for the RTX 3060 tested at all graphics presets. Undoubtedly, the Legion 716 offers the full package and surprisingly good portability. And the main contributor is definitely the vapor chamber inside of it. Additionally, you get an HDR display with G-Sync support, a fast refresh rate, and an accurate color representation. If you'd like to see more tests and numbers about this device, you can find them in our detailed review in the video description below.